Hello viewers, I am your host Panchita. Today I am going to talk to you on a very informative topic related to your education, job and career. I am going to bring to you such informative video from time to time. I hope you like these videos. So let's start the video. There are two types of courses under ITI, engineering and non-engineering. Both the departments have demandable and job-oriented trades. Now you must be thinking which department will fetch you the most number of job opportunities, right? Well, don't worry. I'll bring to you all the informative trade videos time to time. All you need to do is like and follow our page for more such content. Today I'll share the information of a very important trade under the non-engineering department. The trade is stenographer secretarial assistant. What is stenographer secretarial assistant? Stenographer secretarial assistant trade under CTS, that is Craftsman Training Scheme, is one of the most popular courses delivered nationwide through the network of ITIs. Earlier, stenographer secretarial assistant were two different courses. Now both the courses have been combined under the scheme of Directorate General of Training NSQF Level 4. Duration of the course. The course is of 1 year duration. It mainly consists of domain area and core area. In the domain area, that is trade, theory and practical, imparts professional skills and knowledge, while the core area, that is employability skill, imparts requisite core skills, knowledge and life skills. Entry qualification. To take admission in this course, the minimum qualification of a student is passing the class 10th examination. Minimum age. The minimum age required to take admission in this course is 14 years as on the first day of academic session. Course structure. The course elements for this trade consist of number 1, professional skill, number 2, professional knowledge, number 3, employability skills, 4, library and extracurricular activities, number 5, project work, number 6, revision and examination, and the total national training hours for these elements is 2080 hours. Vacancy under this department. The various vacancies under this trade include stenographer secretarial assistant, private secretary cum stenographer, personal secretary, back office support, help supportive, executive secretary, receptionist, social secretary, shorthand typist, land and revenue office jobs, circle office, DC office and court jobs, PA of politician, and also one more very important thing, stenography and shorthand are two similar branches. Hence, the scope of vacancies are various under this department. For example, vacancies under SSC, Railway, High Court, PA, Dictator in MNC, and several government and private job vacancies are available. Exam stage. Exam stage under this trade takes place on yearly mode with only 3 exam papers. Number 1, trade practical, number 2, trade theory, number 3, employee ability skills. Questions are of objective type, so it is not at all very difficult to crack this exam. Skills learned. The trainee learns about safety and environment, use of stenographer, secretarial assistant, etc. She gets the idea of the computer hardware and its peripherals, distinguish between long and short vowels, describe logograms, identify all types of file and prepare MS PowerPoint. Booking tickets for rail, bus, air and hotels etc. are also included. So, what are you waiting for? If you want a bright future and have the desire to excel in life, then join this course immediately. For more information, you can inbox me here. I will get back to you directly And as per your enquiries and comments, I will specifically prepare the next career related video for you all. I will soon come back with more such informative videos. Remember, schooling does not assure employment, but skill does. Thank you.